Hello, good afternoon. I have a haul and I wanted to share with you. It's from, I think, 3 different places. I have my Heidi Swapp Stop the Blur Kit, Stamp Society. Also Elizabeth Craft Design, dies and stamps and paper, cardstock, and also Michael's. So let me show you first the Heidi Swapp Stamp Society. This is, it comes with some alphas, but in between here, you could put the sayings here in between, and you can make a big word and then the saying and then underneath. And this is what I mean. So the big alpha with, and then you could put one of the sayings of here in between. So this one says, do what makes you happy, and then I stamped out the word happy bigger. So these are the sayings that it comes with, and I'm not going to go through everyone, but it says, celebrate every tiny victory, feeling thankful, be afraid and do it anyway, 5 things to remember today, sending you smiles and good vibes, go where you feel more alive, be in love with your life, just be your own beautiful self. So it has many little quotes here that you could use like that. And now the Stop the Blur kit. It always comes in this pouch where it says tell your story. And let me just take out everything in here. So she did put in the packet this little button. It says no bad days with a little heart. As you can see. Comes with this heart washi, and it comes with a lot of washi. Then comes these stickers, heart stickers, in 3, 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, I believe. Yeah. Then these sayings, and of course the alpha and vellum, and this time she included the caps and the lowercase, so that's kind of neat. And then she has included these little file tabs. They look like files, but they're not. There's only one. There's not the other side of it, and they're pretty thick. So it's in pink, this color pink, and this blue, and this one is taller than the other 2. So, and then these are Vellum Envelopes. This one says good things take time, more love, things will work out, and keeping it real. So it has 4 little vellum envelopes with the card where you could write something inside of it, or you could attach a picture in the back, or you could write in the back and put the picture in the front. So that's kind of cute. And then the stamp, it always comes with the stamp. The stamp is this one right here, and it has some hearts, and it doesn't stamp with the thing in the middle. It stamps by itself, the heart, and it's 3 different types of heart. This one has polka dots, this one has little lines, this one is a regular, this one is a darker heart, and then this one has scallops around it. And so this is how it stamps, and I did use my new Tim Holtz Distress ink to stamp these. So this one says don't forget, no bad days, XO, this, okay, hi, and then it has these bold hearts, cute, okay, and that one, I don't know what that one says there. I think it says love. Yep, love, LUV. And then new, and then nope. Nope, that's what that's how it stamps out. And as always, I put it in the back like this so that I can know what the stamp is. So now let me show you my Elizabeth Craft design haul. And I think I bought a lot from, and it was 2 times I did buy Elizabeth Craft. So the first thing I bought was this TN, this art journal, and it comes like this with that little flower there, and there's a pocket here, as you can see, and then you can put your pages for the art journal, and it's 3 little rings there, and then it has the Elizabeth Craft, and that's how. And it does come with this pouch, which you could keep it, or you could put something else in the pouch from Elizabeth Craft. That's how it came. So next is this stamp. I did buy the stamp and the dies, and this one is Hope, and this one is CS228 Hope. And those are the dies, and it comes with 9 dies, and so this is how it does stamp. Very pretty. And I did made these little cards, and I use my Tombow water-based pens to color them in, and these are the colors I used: 835, 723, and 245, and 195. So first I went in with the darker color in the middle here, and then with the lighter color I just spread it out, and I think it came out so cute. And I did pop the Hope with some adhesive foam right there, as you can see. So I did that one, Hope, this one with that flower, and then the last one I left it alone. And then I did use the die to cut them out, and so it does cut out very nice. You do have to line it up very well, if not you'll see that little area where I didn't line it up so well, but the rest I did. So that's the first stamp and die. Then I did get this Spring Flower Mandela, and it's S033, and it's pretty big. I thought it was smaller than that, but let me see the size. It's 4 by 3 by 8 by 7. So it's Spring Flower Mandala stencil size. So very pretty. And these I did not cut out, so I did get the whole set of this new bunny set. So this one is 1929 bunny, and it has 9 dies to this bunny, and you do have to fussy cut them out and put it together, but it has everything here laid out. It's not a lot of putting together, so that's good. Then I did get the squirrel 1930, and this one has 11 dies. So I have the little walnut there, and then the rest is to put him up together. Then I did get the beaver 1931, and this one has 10 dies. So this is the big wood and the smaller wood, and then the rest is him, and that's his little beaver tail. Then I did get the daffodils 1933, and it comes with 6 dies. And then I did get the basket 1932, and this one has 12 dies. And then this set did come with this, the carrot box 1934, and I've seen the demonstrations. You don't have to use it for a carrot box, you could use it as a regular box for anything to put things inside of it, so that's why I picked it up. And also it comes with the beaver die set slimline slider and spinner, so if you want to make them come up and down, this is the die for that, for the squirrel. And then it did come with the beaver also, the pull tabs for that. So I have to see how this works, these two, because I haven't seen how to put it together. Then for the art journal, I did pick up the stencils, the S043 winter stencils, and this is what you get in this set. You get 4 different designs here in this stencil. Then I did pick up the newest retro bus special kit. So it came with the little binder things and also the stamp, which I did not stamp. So this one is On the Road Again, CS260, and it has Happy Mind, Happy Life. It is part of the adventure. On the road again, explore, sunny days, more please, travel is my therapy, having a good time, vacation, next exit. And it does have the little buggy bus there, the van. And then this one has date, place, and weather. So, and then the dies. This one has 2 sides of the die, and this one is the 1928 retro bus. So it comes with sunglasses and a peace sign, the rain boots, I believe, and then this is the mirrors that you put here, the little suitcase, I believe, and then this one says road trip, and then in the back is peace. Is that adventure? Yeah, adventure and love. These are the suitcase. I wonder if this is the front of the bus. Let me see. No. It's not the front of the bus. Oh, it is a suitcase. It is a suitcase. And then in the back, has the flower, the guitar, suitcases, another suitcase, and then the front of the bus and the window. So they made so many cute little traveler's notebooks with this. And then I did pick up the iris shutter, because I've seen so many things made with this iris shutter. I wanted to do some. And since I did use all of my paper cardstock from Worn Wood, I did pick up another one. So, and I think I picked up the wrong one. I think I was supposed to get the Wanderlust. Yeah, they gave me the wrong one. They're supposed to give me the Wanderlust cardstock, not Worn Wood. I have to contact them, because I didn't want this one. I wanted the Wanderlust. And as you can see here, it says Wanderlust, not Worn Wood. So I have to contact them. Okay, that's it for my Elizabeth craft. Now I want to show you my Michaels. It's only 3 little items from Michaels, so that'll be quick. So I did pick up another one of these for my hubby, because we are gonna learn how to, in our free time, we're gonna learn how to write. And this one, since it has the dots, it keeps us in our, it'll make it easier for us. So I did pick up one for me, and he said to pick up one for him, so I did. So, and then I did buy an extra one just in case whoever finishes it first. I did pick up this Lindy's Stamp Gang, and it's the Starburst sprays, and this one is the Mermaid Seashells. So this comes empty. So when you get them, it's not a mistake. You have to put in the water yourself. And it tells you how much water to put in the directions right there. So, and it has to be warm water that you put in. So, and you fill it to there only. So it's warm water that you put in here. So this one is the Mermaid Seashell sprays. And then I did pick up the embossing powder for the Mermaid Seashells set. So it does come with the same colors here. It has the same colors here. So this is the embossing colors. So that is it for my haul. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you could see more videos like this in the future. And leave me a comment if you have any questions down below. Thank you and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.